Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I will be making another review video and I will be reviewing this white noise night light. I know I am talking back there, but for some reason my audio got like really messed up, so therefore I am doing a voiceover. But guys, I am right now opening this white noise nightlight machine, like I said, and I am going to be telling you guys my honest opinion about it. So let's go ahead and continue unpackaging this, taking everything out, and see what it's going to look like. And so far, let me tell you guys, I just can't stop listening to this. Like every night I'm turning it on and it's amazing. But let's go ahead and continue with the review. At this point, I was letting you guys know that I am about to turn this white noise machine nightlight on and turn off all the lights to show you guys what it looks like and what it sounds like. So it is really dark right now, but I did wanted to show you guys. This is the nightlight. As you can tell, this little dot, it means that it's already plugged in. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so overall it is really bright, but you can adjust the brightness. So that is what the nightlight looks like. Obviously you can adjust it, but overall, like, I think it's, the brightness is good. See, like that is really low. But I'm gonna be turning this off now because I do want to show you guys the functions. That's the fan, and it is really loud, guys.
Good.
Of course, you can always pause it, and it does come in with a timer. So right here, you just press and you set up your timer on 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or 120 minutes. And you press this button down below. This is your light mode button, so it can change the colors. Let me turn the flashlight off. So that is what it would look like. beautiful. I love this. I seriously love it. Guys, this is a definitely go-to. Love this. Now, if you guys are interested in this item, please go ahead and go down in my description box down below. Everything will be linked down there. Oops, everything will be linked down there. Of course, this is an Amazon product, but guys, I seriously, I am in love with this. Like, this is just like a perfect gift for, you know, someone that you know that's gonna have a baby's on the way and whatnot. Like, this is seriously, they're gonna love this because I love this, and I don't even have a baby now. I'm getting baby fever, so definitely put your hands on this product. So that is going to be it for today's white noise night light machine. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Now, do keep in mind that it does come with 26 selective sounds, which are natural sounds, lullabies, fan noise, and rain noise. They are perfect for a newborn and even for adults because, in my opinion, I love them. And my son that literally just turned 4 years old, he like literally tells me every night, "Mom, can you turn on the night light?" And he loves for me to always put the ones that change color, and he likes to listen to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So guys, this is for all ages. It is perfect. I love it, so I highly recommend it. But other than that, that's going to be it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And last but not least, press the bell icon, and that way you get notified when I upload new videos in the future. I love you all, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.